What is the main idea of the passage? A. Evan and Tyler's long-standing rivalry at school. While the passage does show tension between Evan and Tyler, this is only mentioned once or twice in passing, and it's mainly something the reader can infer. Either way, it's not widespread enough in the passage to be considered the main idea. This choice can be marked off. B. Evan discovering a mysterious old photograph and showing it to Tyler. While this is close to what happens, Evan never actually decides to show Tyler the photo. Instead, Tyler finds it after they bump into each other, and if anything, Evan doesn't seem happy about this development. This isn't a fully accurate description of what happened in the passage, but nonetheless, we'll keep an eye on it before marking it off completely. C. Evan finding a photograph in the library that both he and Tyler recognize in some way. The story begins with Evan discovering the photo, continues with him being unsettled by the familiarity of the boy in it, and ends with Tyler also finding the image strangely familiar. In addition, it doesn't suggest that it was Evan's decision to show Tyler the picture, like the previous choice. This is likely our answer, so we can now mark off choice B as we take a look at choice D just to be sure. D. Tyler confronting Evan about something unusual he found. Evan is the one who finds the photo, not Tyler, so this choice is inaccurate. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and go ahead and mark choice C as our final answer.